Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
When should I start vaccinating my pet? If you have kittens or puppies, the first round of vaccinations, usually 2 or 3 vaccines, are given at around 6 to 8 weeks old. The final vaccine, however, should not be given before your pet turns 16 weeks.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.
These will include the core vaccines, which are administered in a series of 3, at 6, 12, and 16 weeks old. The core vaccines include the DHLPP, distemper, hepatitis, leptospirosis, parvo, and para-influenza. Your pup will also need a rabies vaccination, which is usually around $15-20.
Make your mark. Take our lead.
Make sure your dog is properly vaccinated. Puppies should receive their first vaccines at 6 to 8 weeks of age. Boosters should be administered at 3-week intervals until the puppy is 16 weeks of age, and then again at 1 year of age. Previously vaccinated adult dogs need boosters every year.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.